welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be swapping the battery in this Toyota remote keyless key. Today you're going to need a 2032 battery. These are quite a common one and they're available in most stores. We'll pop that to one side for a moment. Let's get straight into it. Let's double check this particular one is off a Rav4, so let's just double check this is the same before we proceed. If you tip the key on its end, you've got a little lever here. If you just press that in, or across even, that releases your emergency key. Should your remote fail, this will get you into the vehicle. Access of the location on the lock, it varies from model to model, so that's something you need to check. Okay, keeping hold of this, keep hold of the key in your hand, put that in just a little bit, and then if you put a bit of light pressure on, that releases the back quite easily on this one. Just be careful because the insides of the remote, as you can see there, have just fallen out, so just carefully place that back into its housing, which is the front edge, if that happens. Okay, so to release the battery on this one, it's a 2032 battery, as I said earlier. It's placed in positive side up. Just carefully push it out from the back. Be careful not to damage any of the terminals. Might need pushing out a little bit more of that. Just like I say, be careful because it's slid into a little metal casing. Right, okay, there you go. There's your positive side. Always a smooth side. The negative side has a domed edge. We'll get the new battery, pick the battery up, carefully place it in there, and then just push that back in with your finger. It'll slide into place. Get the rear of the key. Make sure the little inside of the circuit board's lined up where it should be. Line everything up. That just clips back into place nicely. Pop your emergency key in, and that's job done on your Rav4 stroke Toyota keyless remote. Hope that was helpful for you today. Please give us a like and subscribe. Check out our other videos, and we'll see you soon.